Okay, in today's video, we have two unboxings. So this is for the month of August. We have the Ice Cream Beauty Box, and then we have the Ice Cream Beauty Bag. I have not filmed this subscription in a couple months. I didn't do, August. So I didn't do June or July's. So it's been a couple months since I unboxed these. So if you want to see what I got, hear my thoughts and opinions, and is it worth the money? Then keep on watching. Okay. If you don't know, I do have a second channel called Just Ann's World. And over there, I do more vlogging, car vlogging. I do my walk and talks. Right after this video, I'm getting ready to do a walk and talk. So I will leave the channel down below. Check it out. See if that is something that you're interested in. All right. Let's do the beauty bag. This is $12.50 a month. You do pay for shipping. I do have a discount code for both. It's Just Ann in all caps. Anytime, if you want to see if I have a discount, most of the time it's Just Ann in all caps, you know. All right, so let's open her up. This is an indie subscription, and I really like this subscription. Like, I think that the indie subscriptions have been killing it. Slay Glam Box, Blink Wink Box, Ice Cream Beauty Box. I actually look forward to these subscriptions than I do the BOXYCHARM IPSY lately. I really have. All right, so let's get everything up out of there. All right, so you always get a card. So it says August, and then how many? You got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 4 items, and they're usually always full size. You either get between 3 and 4 items. For $12.50, that's not bad for all full size items, you know? So it tells you everything that's in here and gives you a price. Okay, the first thing is this brush, and I tell you all the time, I am obsessed with makeup brushes. I don't know why. I have so many of them, I don't need anymore, but I don't mind getting makeup brushes in a subscription. And that's a personal preference. Some people hate it, you know? So, what you be? Okay, so this is a Bella Pierre blush brush for $30 now. Bella Pierre is very expensive. I think it's an okay brand. They have their hits and misses. They're definitely very expensive for what you get. However, it's not like you're paying that. You're paying $12.50 for 4 full-size items. So this isn't really $30, you know? And that's what she looks like. I like the angled brushes. And why I like them, I've been doing this now for a couple years. I don't know what got me into doing it. I must have seen a tutorial or something. But I've been putting my blush like here on my nose. Of course, I put it back here. A little on my forehead in here. Kind of like that sunburn look. Do you know what I'm saying? And so I like the angled brushes for that. And then I take a big brush and I blend it out, of course, you know. So, all right, I'll definitely use it. Okay, so the next thing is from Beauty Creations. And this is... So this is a liquid liner, and this is $4. I thought this was lipstick, but no, it is a liquid liner. Okay. Does it say the shade? Oh, Lord, that's so small.
That's what she said.
I think it says O-Pop. I think that's what it says. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Let's see. Why can't I get it open? Is it taped? Oh, you gotta turn it in. Okay, so it's a liquid liner. That's pretty. This is like a neon color. Look at that. Now, you guys know I don't wear liquid eyeliner. First of all, it's not because I don't want to. I have tried to do wings for so long, and I cannot do them to save my life. Also, I have smaller eyes, so when I do a line, then you can't see my eyeshadow. You know, maybe I need to try like going very, very small. You know, I don't know. I need to like stop being a punk and try it. But this is really pretty. And what I use these for sometimes is just for like liquid eyeshadow or put some pop, you know. But I gotta stop being a punk and trying, because this is absolutely beautiful. Some people use these type of colors and they make the beautiful like artistry looks, you know. All right, so we have that $4. I mean, you can't beat that either. Okay, so the next thing is from Oakland Cosmetics. This is a metal matte lipstick. And I don't like metal matte colors. That's a personal preference. But sometimes, like the Gerard Cosmetics, when you swatch it, they don't look too metally. So, like, I can get away with it. You know what I'm saying? All right. So, this is $7. And in the shade, I want to say DM. I think that's what the shade is. All right. So, that's what it looks like. It's like a bronzy color. This reminds me of, like, the Kylie Cosmetics, right? Her, the drip. Okay, here's the applicator. This is definitely like a matte metal color. However, I wonder if like I can use it as a eyeshadow. I've been getting creative a little bit. I mean, not today, but I know I won't wear this as a lipstick. But maybe if I have like a matte lipstick on, I'm trying to close it, and then maybe put this like right in the center, that might work. I'll have to give that a go. I'm going to go live this weekend, and I have a lot of stuff I want to try out. I was supposed to go live last weekend, but I didn't. So definitely this weekend. I'll let you know once it gets close. Well, today's Thursday when I'm filming. So by tomorrow, I'll put in a community post whether I'm going live Saturday or Sunday. Let you guys know. And I'll definitely try this out too. I have a bag right here of everything I want to try. All right, so we have that. And then we have a palette. I mean, for $12.50, this ain't bad. This is why I like the Ice Cream Beauty bag. Okay, so this is a Beauty Creations Cali Set palette for $15. I believe I have this. Let me look at it. So you like slide it out. I think I have this though. Let's see. I don't remember if I have this one or not. So I'm not going to swatch it. I'm going to show you what it looks like because if I do have it, I'll put this in a future giveaway. So you have a mirror and those are the shades. Very pretty shades. I mean, I have that something like that on today. Really, really like it. Okay, I'm going to be having a huge giveaway soon because I've been decluttering a lot of my makeup. If I was to, see, I film in my bedroom. If I was to take this down, okay, my bed's right here, but I have a huge mess over here where I'm going through like all my eyeshadow palettes and stuff like that. So let's recap everything that you get in the bag for $12.50. And if you use my code, which I don't make anything out of it, you can save some money off. So you get a palette. You get this liquid eyeliner here, which is very pretty actually. You get this metal matte lipstick. This is the only one I'm like, and this is more of a personal preference, but I'm going to try it out and see. And then we get a brush. Not bad. Not bad at all. Now, what did I do with the bag? So I could put it back in the bag. Okay, so here is the beauty box. This is $25 a month. Again, you can use my code JustAnn to save you some money off. All right. When you open her up, that's what she looks like. So here it says for August, and what does that theme say? Camp Glam. And you usually get 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, you get 5 full-size items. Again, it tells you what everything is and gives you the price. And then it always has these, I tell you this all the time, these are biodegradable, so it's good for the environment. So I like that. I'm telling you guys, you ought to be proud of me. I have been I have been remembering a trash bag lately. Because usually when I do some unboxings, I just throw everything on the floor. And then when I'm done, I clean everything up. Okay, this looks pretty good. Here's a little sneak peek. Not too much and like to tease everyone. All right. Okay, so the first two things are from IBY. So we have a highlighter and a brush. And I like this brand. I really do. I have a lot of their eyeshadows, and I think they're really, really good. I mean, this brand, I don't think it's enough credit. They're really good. So together, this is $22, so they're $11 a piece. I mean, that's not bad. Okay, so this is the highlighter. It says Carry On 2, and I can't see that. I think it says Wanderlust, but let me put my glasses on because I can't read it. Yep, Wanderlust. Okay. All right, that is the packaging, the back. Ooh, okay, so that's what she looks like. I love highlighter. Of course, you don't get a mirror. Look at that. If this isn't your shade, you can definitely wear it as like a shimmer shade, you know? That is gorgeous. Oh, that's beautiful. That's one swatch. Ooh, I like. Okay, and then we have a blush, and this says, hold the phone. Sun-kissed. Sun-kissed. I cannot sing, guys. All right. Here we go. The back. Ooh, that's pretty too. Look at that. Okay. There is the swatch. That's one time going in. Wow. Let's see if it's like blendable. Let's, oh yeah, definitely blendable. Look at this. See, you can definitely blend it. Ooh, okay. All right, so we have that. Exciting. The next thing is from My Skinny Mask Australia. This is a Miracle Hydrating Serum. It says with prickly pear seed oil and vitamin A, C, and E. This is to instantly brighten, hydrate, and glow. Plant-based beauty. All right, how much are you? This puppy is $40? Oh my goodness. Yeah, Miracle Hydrating Cream, it says. Okay. Do you remember, like, I used to say, oh, I hate getting skincare. But I really, no, I don't want a whole box of skincare. But I don't mind, like, one product of skincare. I actually like it. So, pretty packaging. All right, and it's a little dropper. So, let's put it on my hand. Let's just say, since I have those swatches. All right, if you guys can see, just want to feel what the formula feels like. Yeah. It has some type of scent. I don't know what that scent is, but it's not bad at all. Like, it's not like gross, you know? This will be great. I love putting things like this under my eyes. Well, I like putting serum on anyway at night. This is definitely for nighttime. Unless you go very lightly and put, like, before your makeup, put it, like, under your eyes, you know? But, ooh, I like it. All right. And I never heard of that brand, Mr. Skinny. Not Mr. Skinny, My Skinny. I'm going to have to look it up and see what else they have. Okay. 2 more products. No, I'm lying. 3 more. So then we have this stuff right here. What are you? So this is a Crown Pro Metallic Eyeliner Duo for $7. So I don't know if that means $7 a piece or $7 together. Now I put that serum on, even though I wiped it off. Oh, it's like hard to open. Let's see. Okay. All right, so this is the first shade. It's like a purplish color. Let's see. Ooh, that's pretty too. Like, I have blue on my waterline. I always have a pop of color on my waterline. Look at that. We'll have to see what the wear test is, but that's really pretty. Okay, okay. So then we have this one here. And this is like silver. Let's see. Ooh, this is like silverish purple, I think. It's very pretty. Oh, I don't think I've ever put silver in my waterline. I mean, I know some people put like on top of their eyes. I just don't because I'm not good at it. So I always put it just in my waterline. So very pretty. Ooh, I like that. Both of them together, that's really pretty. Okay, and last but not least, it looks like an Ace Beauty palette. Yes, this is the Scarlet Dust palette for $35. And I'm pretty sure I have this palette. So let me just show you what it looks like. I'm not going to swatch it, and we'll put this in a future giveaway. But I also like Ace Beauty too. They're like more pigmented, but they're very pretty. Very pretty eyeshadows. That's what it looks like. I think I got it in like a BOXYCHARM. Yeah, I have this palette. So you have a mirror. Let me just show you really quickly. I don't want to touch anything. This is really pretty. And this is right up my alley too, because I like the oranges and burgundies and the browns. You guys know that. Love it. Wow. I mean, this is definitely worth $25. And I keep telling you guys, if you use my code, I don't make anything out of it, but you can save some money off. All right, so let's recap everything that you would get in the Ice Cream Beauty box for $25. You get a palette. This is $35 right here. You know, it pays for the box. Then we have this mask that's $40. It's like a serum, you know. I'll definitely use it. Hopefully it works good on my face. We have 2 metallic eyeliners, which you guys know, I love it. And it's not black. BOXYCHARM and IPSY, please take notes. This is why I'm loving the indie brands, because they put different colors in, you know? So we have that. And then we have a blush and a highlighter. I think this is a great box. Like, if somebody said, here, would you pay $25 for this? I'd pay this all day long. I definitely would. Definitely. So I'm telling you, I really like these indie subscription boxes. And Ice Cream Beauty Box, I don't think there's been a month since I've been unboxing it that I haven't liked it. And everybody gets the same thing. You know what I mean? So, all right, guys, that's everything. Please like this video. It really does help me out, or dislike it. That helps me out as well. I haven't filmed for a couple weeks. I mean, I've been putting videos up lately, but the first 2 weeks I haven't filmed. So, even if you just put this on tab and put the volume down, if you watch it, it really will help me out. So please, the more engagement I get, the more it does help me out. So leave a comment. And that's everything. Don't forget, I do have that second channel. I'm getting ready to go out right now and do some walk and talks. I'll leave it down below. And yeah, that's everything, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Well, that's impressive. I remembered my outro, because lately I have not been remembering, or I have it all mixed up. So, not too bad, Ann. Not too bad. I really like this subscription. It's really good. Really, really good. All righty.